Jatambana. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sally Scarlett. If you're new here, please subscribe, like, comment and share. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video we are going to prank Drew. Okay, tunataka tu prank tu. Okay, msijali nime down. Nataka tu prank Drew. Nimewatuma kwa duka with the nanny waende nilete mayai, then from there nataka tu prank. Nimekuwa nikiona, so as I was saying, nimekuwa nikiona hizi pranks for YouTube and nika decide wacha leo ni try. So let me tell you guys, Drew is a genius. Drew atajua ni prank because tumekuwa tukiwatch na yeye. So sometimes anakalia namfanyia kitu ananiambia, "Mommy, it's a prank." I don't know if it will work. Wacha tu hope it work. Sawa. Sasa let's get into the video. Tuone because najua ako karibu kufika. Na please guys, I hope it will work. Sawa. So wacha tuone. Sasa because nataka ikuwe like we are doing a video because sina place ya hide the camera. My house is very tiny, small. So nataka kuonesha penye tuta hide camera, itaonesha a full thing. So akikuja tunaanza video, atajua tunaanza vlog. Thank God he doesn't know what an introduction is. So I think nitaweka tu a wide shot alafu tufanye hiyo prank hapa. Sawa, let's go. So sijui atoko tuna okay, hatutasimama, tutakaa chini. Sina miwani, hatutasimama, tutakaa chini. So let me see. Kata mulioni. Tusongeshe tena mbele kidogo. There. Acha tuone. I hope ataonekana mpaka hapa. Yeah. Good. Ujakakuka. Sawa, come. Good boy. Good boy. Right hivyo, lakini ngojea kwanza. Uko ready kuanza YouTube channel? Sawa, come say hi. Tuanze. Sit here. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing a video of a food challenge. What else? Because you do like it. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Yeah. So you want to do rock, paper, scissors, shoe? Eh? Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Eh? Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. We go up, we go down, then we eat. So what do you want to eat? What do you want us to? Which food do you want us to? We have buy ringo. You have buy mayai. Then we have to buy. Okay. You have to buy what? You have to buy. Oh no, not that. We have bread. We have unga. We have ugali. We have cabbage. Yeah. So what did you eat in school? We eat ugali, cabbage, and carrot, and fish. Okay. Today. Oh, you ate fish? Yes. In a school? Yes. That's a lie. Carrot, it was bringing us. Yeah. So guys, Joto. Oh, sikia joto. Drew. Sasa unajua niko kwa video. So what are you doing? You're supposed to tell people about yourself. Sasa you are dancing in the camera. Come here. Okay. So guys, are fine. My dad is at our bedroom. Then he's sleeping. Never make enough. Hey, Drew. Joto. Hebu nipatie kitu ya kupepeta. Hii ndio hii. Acha nitumie kofia. Kofia. Nachukua yangu. Drew, sipumui. Nachukua yangu. Don't open. Niko na joto. Simu inakuwa joto. Anafanyaje? Ai!
But I.
Kuna joto. Haya, ni pepesa ama ni faint? Unajua nilikuwa nimefaint. Jatamana. Mama jipiga. Mana? Aja. Teka hii video kwa moja. Teka hii video kwa moja. Ay. No. What? No. Mambo basi tutafanya video. Kwani dada kukujia kona. Aya tena kile. Ndio dadi. Nijikonga kaka. Umetoa kitu. Mbona sasa basi nitaniita. Nake hivi. Mom. No. So guys, mom. What on? Wow. Good guys. Mama. Mtoto ni heartless. Ai, ni heartless. Ai. Nimekuuliza. Mama naye imewaka. Nimefanya guys, prank gone wrong. Dra was pranking you. It was a prank. Kwenda. Okay guys, okay. Matufanye game ya chakula. Guys, why prank gone wrong? Yeah, my mommy pranked me somewhere. At home. Why tell them to subscribe? Jota hakuna kitu nimefanya bana hapo. Subscribe on my channel. Because guys. Akisinigonga walai kwa kichwa. Anyway guys, toka kwa video yangu na umeni prank na kwa mtu ananicall. Hiya guys, please subscribe for more. I thought he prank it a work, but to be honest, gone wrong. So bye bye. See you next time. Tell them bye bye. Bye.